Hello, grade 8. So we are going to discuss about the cube of binomial. This is another special product pattern. The cube of binomial, given a binomial, then we're going to find the product when it is being multiplied by itself thrice. So this is the formula. When the given is in sum form, the sum formula is a plus b cubed. The expanded form is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. On the other hand, we have the difference formula. When the given binomial is in difference form, a minus b, and it is raised to 3. So the expanded form is a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. Observe that in some formula, all of the operations will be plus, while in difference formula, in the expanded form, the operation is in alternate form, positive, and then negative. Let's have this example. Example 1 for the sum formula. The given is 3x plus 2y raised to 3. So first, we're going to identify your a and b. In the binomial 3x plus 2y, your a equals 3x and b equals 2y. Choose the sum formula since the binomial has a plus sign. Next, apply the formula. Using the expanded form, a plus b raised to 3 equals a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. So we are going to substitute a with 3x and b with 2y. Next, we substitute values. Again, your a will be replaced by 3x. So 3x raised to 3 plus 3 times 3x squared times 2y plus 3 times 3x times 2y squared plus 2y cubed. 3x is your a, while 2y is your b. Next, calculate each term. So for 3x cubed, or 3x raised to 3, so 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, and it would give you 27. X raised to 3 is x cubed. So for the first term, we have 3x cubed is 27x cubed. For the second term, 3x squared is 9x squared. Then we're going to multiply all of the coefficients. So 3 times 9 times 2 would give you 54. X squared times y is x squared y. So we have 54x squared y. The third term, we're also going to simplify it. So since we have 2y squared here, let's expand this first. So 2y squared will give you 4y squared. Then multiply it with the rest of the factors. So 3 times 3 is 9 times 4 is 36. X times y squared is xy squared. So we have 36xy squared. The last term, 2y cubed. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and y raised to 3 is y cubed. That is why we have 8y cubed. Then, let's simplify or combine all terms. So for the first term, we have 27x cubed plus 54x squared y plus 36xy squared plus 8y cubed. This is the fully expanded form. So for the final answer, 3x plus 2y cubed is equal to 27x cubed plus 54x squared y plus 36xy squared plus 8y cubed. Example 2. This time it is for difference formula. The given is 3y minus 4 cubed. So first, identify the values of your a and b. In this case, a is equal to 3y, b is equal to 4. Then use the difference formula. A minus b cubed is equal to a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. Then, substitute the values. Again, your a is 3y and your b is 4. So we're going to change all of the values of your a's and b's. Once we have substituted, it will look like this. We'll have 3y cubed minus 3 times 3y squared times 4 plus 3 times 3y times 4 squared minus 4 cubed. Then simplify. So 27y cubed minus 3 9y squared. This 9y squared is from 3y raised to 2. Then times 4 plus 3 times 3y times 16. This 16 is the simplified form of your 4 squared minus 64. 64 is the simplified form of 4 cubed. Then let's calculate. So 27y cubed minus 3 times 9 times 4 is 108 times y squared, 108y squared. Plus 3 times 3y is 9y times 16 is 144y and minus 64. For the final answer, we have 3y minus 4 raised to 3 is equal to 27y cubed minus 108y squared plus 144y minus 64. So let's summarize it. The key formulas are when given is in some formula. So take note that all of the operations will be plus. We have a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Then, when it is in difference formula, we'll follow the alternate form. So we have a cubed, then minus 3a squared b, then plus 3ab squared, then minus b cubed. Again, first, you're going to identify your a and b of the given, then substitute the values of your a's and b, and then simplify by starting to expand the exponential form, and then let's compute or combine the terms. Then you have the final answer. For your assignment, use the cube of binomial formula to find the product of the following: 2x plus 4 cubed, 3x minus 1 cubed. You may write your answers in your lecture notebooks. Bye!